Hello everyone, welcome to it's recording. Today we are going to take a look at Unity HDRP and how you can basically use it from the legacy rendering pipeline, or is it legacy? Anyways, from like a 3D, not URP, not HDRP project. So I've just downloaded HDRP. I can show you how to do this too. So go to Window and Package Manager, and you I definition render pipeline. Okay, now well, basically you need to now loading. My computer is slow for some reason today. Okay, so now you can install it. If you don't see it when you type I definition RP, make sure that you show all packages, and also in advance show preview package, and for some reason it's there. So now it's installed. So it takes a few minutes, or more than few minutes, depends on your machine. Okay, let me just delete this. So, right now I have two basic things in my scene. The first one is a cube with a very basic material using the standard, and I also created a standard surface shader here. I basically changed nothing, so the code of the shader is, well, as you can see, I haven't even in my so it's basically standard surface shader. Okay, and I created a shadered material, put it here so I can change the color anywhere. Okay, now if you want to use the HDRP, what you go create, you go to rendering, high definition render pipeline assets. You can call it something like test HDRP, whatever. Then go to to edit. You go to preferences, and there should be a graphic tab here. That's strange. I don't see the graphics. Projects. Oh, projects. Sorry, not project settings. And then you go to graphics, and now it has scriptable render line settings, and you could just go drag it up the test HDRP we created, and now your viewport is in HDRP. Well, not a viewport, but the rendering is using HDRP. There's no light probe, no stuff as the template. If you go to the TOB editor and you launch it, you're going to see a lot more information and a lot more stuff you can do. But now we can see that the two materials we have created are broken. So let's go edit and go to render pipeline, and upgrade projects material to high definition material, and proceed. And now you can see that the first one is working. You have the standard being transposed automatically to HDR over here. And something I found a bit annoying is, not annoying, but even if I say standard, just a super simple shader, that doesn't work with customs. Okay, so now that you're into this, what you could do is use HDRP features or new pipe. So example, you are a 3D artist, you'd like to create a shader graph well, you can go to BR graph, for example, and now it's gonna create a test graph, for example, and you also gonna have all the suite tools up by T. So now you have PBR math. Go create. Just create a color. Oops, I can't type. And now it's color, and we can whatever, just to the albedo, and yeah, whatever. Okay, start fun. Let's do. Do we have access? Oh yes, we have access to time. Sweet. And now you can multiply it. Okay, like you would do in basic shader. Okay, now and I can plug it in here. So I want sine of time. Not okay. Now it's well, sine is actually -1 1. So maybe to floor, not floor, but make the absolute value. Is there no this absolute? Yay! Yay! So I can just create sine and plug here. Now it's go. Yeah. So change the color, whatever. Okay, now you have kind of a basic, very ugly material, but anyways, you can have change the speed of this. So if we get back in Unity, I will save. And I don't know if there is a way. Now you can go and create material. Is there a way to extend this? No. I'm gonna test material and it's flashing material. And okay, now yeah, this doesn't work. So if I drag and drop this guy, now it won't work because the thing is the time I get is not. I think there's a way, but by default, I don't think that the time is muted without an editor. I think we need to downshift. So now this glow should make a flight camera somewhere. Well, there's no lighting. The thing is pretty disgusting. Well, it's here. We have it. Okay. Well, that's it. It was not meant to be more complex or deep than this. I simply wanted to show you this thing I've learned today with Unity is that you can actually create, but use HDRP with a standard project without having to rely on re-import. So thanks for watching, and hope to see you soon for more Unity tutorial.